What if I told you one of DeFi oldest giants is aiming for a $577 breakout, a rising Ethereum layer 2 is gearing up for a $1.14 moonshot, and a low-cap sleeping giant is coiling up for a 700% surge? This isn't hype. The charts are screaming, and smart money is watching. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through the exact levels, technical signals, and under-the-radar news that could turn these moves into reality or fakes. Stay sharp, because if you blink, you'll miss the breakout. Let's start with AAVE, the OG of DeFi lending. After months of sideways action, AAVE just found resistance at the 382 Fibonacci level at $224, and it's now pushing upward inside a well-defined ascending channel. The big magnet, that 1618 extension at $577. That's your full bull case target, nearly 150% upside from here. But it's not just Fibonacci calling the shots. Heikin-Ashi RSI momentum is turning upward from the midzone, just like it did in previous rallies. And check this out, the visible range volume profile VRVP shows the strongest liquidity cluster right below current levels. That's support. Now fundamentals. AAVE's TVL just crossed $39.65 billion, and that's nearly 4x bigger than the entire centralized lending sector combined. One decentralized app outpacing an entire industry. The centralized finance lending market, roughly $11 billion. AAVE alone, $39 billion and climbing. It also dominates the lending ecosystem leaderboard with $3.6 billion in market cap, crushing MakerDAO and Pendle. This isn't just a bounce. It's a DeFi power play. Next, we have Polygon's new token POL, and the setup here is explosive. After a long downtrend, POL just broke its descending resistance and flipped it into support. We now have a confirmed trendline breakout, with current price action bouncing along a new ascending trendline. Fibonacci, we must reclaim the 236 level, and the key targets now are 53 cents and $1.14. That's almost a 5x potential from here. But here's what makes this chart even more relevant. Polygon is integrating Ethereum's Pectra upgrade, including EIP 7702 for smart accounts. This will transform user wallets across Polygon's rollups, giving users account abstraction, native automation, and a drastically smoother payment experience. And what's the result? Stablecoin supply on Polygon is at its highest since 2022 and building rapidly. The narrative around Polygon becoming a payment layer is taking off. We're already at $1.5 billion in stablecoins. Back in 2021, Polygon hit over $3 billion. If the current trend continues, that's your vertical move to watch. If you're feeling overwhelmed trying to follow these setups or still unsure how to capitalize on these opportunities, I get it. That's exactly why I created a beginner-friendly ebook, DeFi Financial Freedom, the Ultimate Beginner's Guide. It breaks down everything: staking, yield farming, airdrops, passive income, all in simple, actionable steps. The link is right there in the top pinned comment. Don't miss it if you want to actually profit from this market. Now, here's your underdog play. Radix with the token XRD. This one just completed a breakout and successful retest of its long-term descending resistance. We're now seeing a bullish grind along the new ascending trend line with a clear higher low forming. This is a classic accumulation structure. Let's talk targets. First, major fib resistance at 2 cents, then 3 cents. Ultimate bull target, 6 cents at the 1618 extension. That's over 7x from here. But price is only part of the story. Radix is redefining DeFi UX with transaction manifests, a feature that lets users see exactly what they're signing, which solves a massive pain point in Web3. No more black box DeFi. This is real innovation. And this isn't some ghost chain. 10 million plus transactions post-Babylon, protocol launches like Astralescent, NFT integrations, and DeFi projects like Root Finance hitting $2 million TVL. It's still early, but the foundation is growing fast. Let's recap the biggest plays. AAVE is dominating DeFi with $39 billion TVL and heading toward $577 if momentum holds. Polygon is riding the smart wallet wave and targeting $1.14. And Radix? It's building where others aren't looking, and the chart is telling us something big is coming. This isn't about hype. It's about positioning yourself before the crowd. If this video gave you clarity, destroy the like button. It helps more than you think. Got questions about one of these tokens? Drop a comment. I read and reply them all. And if you're serious about your crypto journey, hit that subscribe button. There's another video on the end screen right now with even more DeFi opportunities, and of course the DeFi eBook is waiting for you in the top pinned comment. Stay sharp, stay early, stay in profit. See you tomorrow.